Welcome to my channel. I'm going to unpack my Unimig Viper Multi 165 bundle. This is the ready to weld package. It is capable of doing MIG, TIG and stick. The product code is PK11101. I purchased this with my own money from Total Tools, but I think the same package is available in multiple tool shops. Let's get it open. Pair of gloves. Unimig MIG starter kit. I'll open that one in a minute. Welding helmet. This is not the roller wire it came with. The roller wire it came with was a mild steel for gas, and I don't have a gas bottle at the moment. So I spoke to the people at Total Tools and they said that if I paid the difference they would swap out the roll for me. So as you can see, that is gasless wire. The welder itself. The earth clamp, the handle for stick welding, that's a gas hose with fittings, the MIG welder torch, twin gauge regulator, unsure what these are. I'm sure I'll work it out later. The welder. And the manual. The helmet. With spare lenses and its own manual. This has a tie inside the handle. I have two different size tips. It's a 0.8 and a 0.9 there, 10 of each. your pliers, your replacement shields. That's what it looks like inside. These are for feeding your different size wires. Also have one there, and there is one already installed. This is the welder I'm upgrading from. I've had this welder for about 35 years, and it is finally starting to give me trouble. And just thinking of it, holding it now like this, even though, as you can see, this only has a small roll of wire. The other welder has no wire in it, but it's a lot lighter than this one. Even with that 5 kilo roll of wire on there, that is still lighter than the old welder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you know anyone that would like this video, give it a share. All the likes, shares, comments are all appreciated. I don't always get back to all the comments. I only do this part-time, so I don't always have time to get back to every comment. See you next time.